Wow, my sunburn looks like I have the worst under eye bags ever.
You do.
No, bitch. Look at that. That's scary.
We're going on a little adventure. We came down to Makalawena with Austin and T. Day 2 adventure. Jesus.
You're not even recording, Cassie. Oh, yes, you are. Don't drop your camera.
Oh, I'm gonna hold it really good. We made it. It's so beautiful. Wow. So these are all brackish water ponds. Usually we go swimming at the beach and then we come back and we rinse off before we leave. It's like really cold, beautiful, fresh water. Thanks for not killing us, Austin.
No problem. Thank you, Austin.
How was it, Lola?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
We just got to Makalawena. Look how pretty. She's so beautiful. We made it just in time for the sunset. It's so pretty. It's so windy. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. But everyone just jumped in the water. I'm already all wet. I jumped in earlier. We just watched the sun go down. The sky is beautiful. It matches my bikini. All the vibes. It's so weird to be wearing makeup at the beach, but obviously I was trying to get a photo. So that's why she put on full glam, girlies. We just walked back from the beach, back to the trucks, and everyone's rinsing off in the brackish water. So today's adventure, we brought the gang over to Kua Bay. The water is literally so beautiful. How's the water feel, girlies? So pretty. Breaks his ankle. You and me jumping in the shallow. Go, Jesus. How was it?
So fun.
Okay, I will. Jesus, jump in. The chicken fighting. Oh shit.
What's the salt pass?
Queen's Bath.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Sorry.
Jump in, girly.
This is for royalty.
Are you gonna go in? Yeah. You just have to dive in.
I'm just gonna watch.
Just get it over with one speed.
Like, hold it in the bag whenever. Or, yeah.
It's like refreshing.
How does it feel?
We're in the cave. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Eldon's way back there. You can't even see him. Let me turn on the flash. Oh, I still can't see you. It's so dark back here. It's freezing. It's kind of getting deep. I can't really... No.
Why? Over here.
I don't know.
Jesus.
What?
Come back here.
I know.
What are we doing over here, ladies?
Oh, I'm just checking out Neil's new knife.
You just made that one
Today. Brand new. The presses.
Damn. You guys, this is Neil. This is my brother from another mother. He was actually, fun fact, our groomsman at our wedding. And this is his beautiful wife, Flor. She is a professional chef, and she's literally getting down in the kitchen right now. I'm so excited. It already looks so beautiful. We have Carolina here making us some fancy drinks. What are these?
These are caipirinhas. They're made with cachaça, which is Brazilian rum.
Yum.
Lime and sugar.
Yum, it looks so good. Are we gonna get drunk?
A little bit.
Period. They look so bomb. I'm gonna take the bigger one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god, you guys. So we went to Kua Bay today and we made some new friends that drove all the way from Hilo, which was like a 2-hour drive. And the other night they actually brought us a little gift bag and wrote a card with all kinds of goodies and snacks. And we met them at the beach, took pictures with them, and they came back and gave us a whole bunch more goodies. They gave White Claws, they got us some more snacks. So freaking cute. They even printed the picture we all took together at the beach and wrote a card. This is so cute. Low key, not even gonna lie, I started crying when we first opened this because I literally like emotional girls, Aquarius vibes. You guys, this is literally so freaking sweet. Thank you so much. We love you. The food is almost ready. Looks so beautiful. Wow. Are you in charge of the bobby? Sorry. No? No. What are you doing? Just guarding? Fire. Wow. This is not a view that Eldon likes. Oh, that one he does.
Oh, there you go. This is like portobello steaks. Let's just say that.
Wow. She made some special vegan portobello steaks for this one over here. Actually, we have all of his brothers and brothers vegan. Our sister-in-law is vegan. The kids are vegan.
And then Philip, pescatarian.
Pescatarian. And we got some steaks on the bobby. Wow, Floy, you really did that. Queen of cooking, honestly.
Not just steaks, filet mignon.
Filet mignon. What's the vibes, Laura?
I have no vibes.
I'm gonna need you to bump them up a little bit.
I have red vibes. My face
Honestly,
is red.
Same.
Burning.
Oh no, it's just my face and my butt cheeks.
Also, what are the vibes today?
Vibes are, you guys are killing it because you don't have a drink.
True. Hello. Oh.
Cassie's looking so tan.
Look at that.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
demonetized. Sorry. This is a family channel.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Not here though. Oh. Just kidding. Are you cooking now?
I'm pretending. New for me, but I eat like this every week.
Lucky. Spoiled, huh? Dang.
Like this, Flora?
Fresh out the oil.
So chimichurri sauce.
Oh.
This is like a Brazilian vinaigrette.
My gosh. I always see this on the food channel.
Is that what it's supposed to look like?
Oh, the chimichurri spirit? It's just like herbs and olive oil.
Yeah.
But it's just something fresh for the meat.
Yeah, that looks so good.
So I did all Brazilian tonight. This is Brazilian like fried rice, Wagner's rice, beans, farofa, which is cassava flour, sweet potato salad, grilled vegetable salad, deep fried banana. Oh my god.
Yum.
This is traditional Brazilian barbecue. This is beef, and this is ahi steaks with like a salsa criolla, like a vinaigrette.
Wow. Thank you. What's the verdict, y'all? 5-star review, 10-star review? 20? You heard that? 20-star review.
Thank you.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Aloha kakahiaka. We're going to breakfast right now, brunch if you will. Father Eldon picked breakfast on the beach. Love this old crickety floor.
1,000-pound marlins that have been caught. They call them granders. Over 1,000 pounds.
My god.
This one. Oh, here's the date. 1,400 pounds. A bit more.
Put your mask on, ladies.
What you know about love, I got what you need.
How are you feeling this morning?
I was tired, but I'm feeling great now. And after I have coffee, even better, baby.
Period.
Who did he get a text from just now? Oh, just a casual Kim Kardashian. That's fine. Cheers to love, life, peace, and happiness. Pop.
Cheers, everybody, to the best friends in the entire world.
Period. Oh,
Oh my god.
pussy money weed. Thank you. Oh my god, they just brought us a whole bunch of different flavors of mimosa. So pretty, and the food just came too. Yum.
A little
Wow. I got a Kahlua pork egg benedict. So bomb.
Yes, thank you.
What did you get, baby?
I got spam, eggs, toast, potatoes, and a side of a pancake.
Yum. And Eldon's vegan brekkie.
Here to finish it.
Mood. Okay, we're gonna try and check. Cheers. Yeah. Oh my god, no. No. Cheers.
This one's actually good.
Next. Do it again. Cheers.
Does that mean one? Does that mean two? Does that mean three?
Go James, go James, go James.
No thanks.
Lewis.
Back in.
Thank you. Perfect.
Everyone thinks I'm weird.
You're weird, but we still love you.
Hi, Lena.
Lena, can you give me a little moment right here?
What do you want me to do? Spin around and twirl?
Yeah.
Yeah, very that.
Ready, set, go.
Period.
Yeah. You're a paid actor.
We just got here. We came to Hapuna. I'm ready to go get a tan. I got a really bad tan.
If you don't have a kid with Eldon, I will. I just called the man telling him I forgot the sunblock on the side of my door and that I'll go get it since he's already halfway down. He said, I already got you. I already grabbed it.
Oh, wow. Goals.
Like, how did he think to check my side of the door to see if I forgot anything?
I don't know, that guy thinks of things that normal humans don't.
Right, and so sitting here with
Ooh, the sand feels so soft, so hot. Eldiana, who went and parked the suburbs. So that over there is Maui, if you can see. On clear days you can see Maui, and that's Haleakala, which is their tallest mountain, and ours is Mauna Kea.
Oh, the babe.
Can you rub my back then?
Excuse me.
Tell them that charge is extra. Are you horny?
Get the rolls in between here the next.
So me and Eldiana came to the iconic Kona brew and picked up dinner for everyone. We've got all the pizzas, we have salad, and a bunch of goodness. Yum! So we just got Kona brew. We have some cheesy bread, garlic bread, salads. We have a bunch of pizzas. Wow. Beautiful. If you guys drink beer, then you've probably heard of Kona brew before, like Big Waves. That is from the big island of Hawaii. Very Kailua Kona vibes. Oh my god. It looks bomb. Here's my salad. I'm so happy for this. Yummy. Are you just really enjoying this view?
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
I was just gonna give you guys a quick house tour. Look how beautiful the Mauna is. Over here we have the beautiful road that leads up to the beautiful Mauna. And then this is the front view of our Airbnb with a little JC moment. The pool's so pretty. She's a little green and slimy, but that didn't stop us from getting in there. Wild animals up there. You can see them right through the glass. Huh? A big anaconda. And here's my OTD. Period. This is our living area where we chill. Hello, Luis. Hello, Jesus. Hey. Oh my god, my lens is dirty. Please hold. My apologies for the dirty lens. I just swapped the lens out. Sorry for my loud feet. We have Lena Nash. And we have an Apple Watch. We have Lewis's room over there. We've got a little Victu towel over there.
Yes, I'm glad to see you found a bathing suit that you didn't find at Babies R Us.
What?
Babies are us.
Babies are us. Okay, so this is the kitchen, the living area. Excuse the mess, you guys. I just cleaned the whole kitchen last night and, you know, we gotta live. Look at all this Monstera moment. Beautiful. And then we have a little James Charles bedroom over here. So now we're gonna come back around here and just show you what outside the door looks like. Beautiful, beautiful. And we're gonna go upstairs now. Sorry, this is probably the worst house tour you're ever gonna see. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Now here is the full view. In my opinion, they had the best room with like the view of the pier and the mountain. Like, come on. This looks like a frame. Me, honestly. Oh my God, there's still a speck on there. What the hell? Let me clean that off. No vibes, no vibes. No vibes.
This is the vibe.
Oh, I got all the vibes, girlies. And Kai just got here. Meow Kai. Cheers. This is my brother from another mother. We go way back. We go far back. Huh? Should I pull out all the pictures from our wedding when you're drunk? We're just vibing outside. Got a little Modelo moment. Mood.
You're just jealous mine are too big to fit.
I'll say this to Brandon.
Oh, new hula girl in town.
I definitely think we should self-post that.
So we came down to Kona now. Look how beautiful. We were gonna kayak, but half the group does want to and half the group doesn't. So we're going to snorkel, and we're at Ehu and Kai. My pretty little Ehu girl. So we've got a little action going on here. Jesus is braiding Miss Lena Nash's hair. we just got back from snorkeling. And I'm just vibing outside the Airbnb. Everybody went inside. And I'm having a little picnic. I got some plain spam musubis. I don't like the sauce or anything. I just like it plain. And I got kalua pig and cabbage with rice and laulau. If you know, you know. They put like a lot of cabbage. And I wish there was more like sauce, like juice. But it's just so good. I'm just vibing in the pool right now. Look at this. Beauty. So pretty. Bath time for the little birdies. So cute. Three little birds on my doorstep singing. Oh, only one left. We're taking the girlies on a real big island adventure.
Oh, Jesus! How's your chicken one?
I know, ask James. Let me see.
Ew!
Why would you do that?
It was really fucking dry.
Why would you give it to me when you literally fit it back in there? Like, what?
This is the cliff called the End of the World that Cassie and her friends used to jump off of when they were kids. Not me!
I don't know, Cassie wants to go get. How much is it, Carl?
Okay, it's a boomerang. 3, 2, 1. Damn! I'm just kidding, but. Who's talking?
What?
This gives me trypophobia vibes, but oh my god, it's a bubble waffle. Look at this. Look at that. Just look at. Oh no! We're gonna race. Cheers. Oh, the bubbles. Cheers. Cheers.
You want another violin?
He's so dancing.